It's now time for The Law in You, brought to you by Gig and Jankula. We're here with attorneys Mike Gig and Christopher Jankula. Guys, thanks as always so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. So first things first, Mike, if you just want to give us a quick rundown of what law you guys practice.
Yeah, so I primarily do our estates, estate planning, which would be everything from wills, trusts, powers of attorney, living wills, things like that. Also a lot of real estate. Chris does most of our personal injury, workers' compensation, and Social Security.
All right, and Chris is tackling our question of the day today. I think this is a pretty common one, Chris, I'm assuming. So let's get to it now. My workers' comp check is late. Is there anything I can do to get the check on a regular basis?
Yes, unfortunately, this is quite a common question that I get from my clients, and it's something that the insurance companies do a lot. Unfortunately, there's not a lot that you can do, but there is some things. First of all, what you want to do is you want to make sure if they do have direct deposit that you sign up for direct deposit. That way it goes straight into your bank account. Second, if your check is late, contact the adjuster, who actually they'll usually ignore you. A third, if they're still not getting you your check, most likely then you should give us a call or another attorney a call. Retain that attorney so that they can help you out and try to push the issue. One of the things though that happens is that around holidays, if there's day off, it could be a mail problem, it could be them just dragging their feet and not pressing the magic button, I call it. So sometimes you have to be a little bit patient, and I know it's unfair because you're not getting paid, but the only thing I can really do is file a penalty petition. And whenever I file a penalty petition, then it goes to the court, but what the insurance companies do is they give you your money, and so then it's moot, and the court doesn't want to have to hear it. So it's one of those things that an attorney usually just pushes, contacts the adjuster, contacts the other attorney, and we kind of push them to make that check come as timely as possible.
You mentioned holidays and things like that. Does the time of year maybe make a difference? Like maybe they're going into a new budget or something like that?
Sometimes towards the end of the year, a lot of times it's really slow. Thanksgiving, Christmas. I mean, I field so many questions, and I'm contacting so many adjusters and attorneys around those times because they're always late with checks around them, and they're like, oh, people are off and this, and they're giving excuses. Yep. But it feels personal, obviously, to the clients because they need this money. They're only getting a portion of their money every week.
Hey, Mike, if people need your help, how should they reach out to you guys?
Yeah, they can either call our office at 814-946-1606 or through our website at gig-law.com.
All right, excellent. Mike, Chris, thanks again for joining us.
Thank you.
Really
Appreciate it.